Did you forget to thaw the chicken again for dinner? No problem. Did you know you can cook frozen chicken breast in the Instant Pot? You don't have to thaw it. I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I want to show you an easy solution for cooking chicken in your Instant Pot if you've forgotten to thaw it. Let me show you how it's done. To make frozen chicken breasts in the Instant Pot, we're going to need some chicken breasts, and here I have 2. You can do 2 or 4 or however many you need to cook. The one thing that you don't want to have them is they cannot be stuck together in a big block of chicken. They won't cook evenly. As long as they're loose chicken breasts, you're good to go. You're going to need some water or broth. This is 1 cup. And we're going to need some all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm using my homemade all-purpose seasoning mix, but you can use a store-bought one if you like. So let's get started. I'll show you how easy it is to make. Because our chicken breasts are frozen, it's going to be a little harder to get our all-purpose seasoning to stick to it. So to solve that problem, we're going to take a brush and some water, and we're just going to moisten the top of the chicken breast just a little bit here, and then we're going to sprinkle it with our all-purpose seasoning, and that'll help it stick a little bit better so it doesn't all just fall right off. I'm going to repeat that for the other chicken breast. We're just going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And this way you do not have to thaw the chicken breast before you cook them in the Instant Pot. And they come out so juicy and delicious too, which is really great. So now let's take our chicken and bring it to the Instant Pot. Okay, so now we have our Instant Pot here, and we're going to add 1 cup of water. Now you can use broth if you want, and I have the rack inside here. You can put the chicken directly into the liquid, have it up out of the water. I think the chicken just looks better when it's done. So we're just gonna put our 2 chicken breasts in here. Now again, if you have 4, these are pretty good sized chicken breasts, so if you have 4 or more, you can just kind of stack them as long as they're not just one huge piece. And now we're just going to put the lid on the Instant Pot and set it up to cook. Okay, we have our chicken in the Instant Pot. We have the lid on, and it needs to be set to sealing. We're going to select pressure cook, and we're going to set it to 10 minutes. Because my chicken breasts are about 8 ounces, we're going to use 10 minutes. We're going to use high pressure and set it to natural pressure release, and we're going to push start. I am going to set these to 10 minutes because my chicken breasts are about 8 ounces. But if you have larger chicken breasts, you can look at the printable recipe, which will be linked in the description or below. And you can find the chart for how long to cook the larger chicken breasts. And then after we let it cook, and the time is up, we're going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes and then do a quick release. And our Instant Pot chicken is done. We started with the frozen chicken breasts, and they cooked up really nice and tender and juicy. And that's how quick and easy it is to cook frozen chicken breasts in the Instant Pot. And if you want the full written tutorial, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.